This is Isaac with Autolawn of Orlando. We'll be reviewing how to create a stayout zone using the mapping cart. First step, ensure that you are logged into the Kress Mission app. Select the menu button from the upper left of the screen, which takes you to the main screen. From here, select the My Maps button. Scroll to find the appropriate map and then click on it. This will show you all the map versions, active and inactive. Click on the active map. From here, on the top right corner, click on the three dots. This will pop up three options. Click the edit option. From here, scroll down till you find no-go zones. Click on the plus icon to the right of no-go zones. From here, make sure you have the correct pilot selected. So when it comes to the pilot, the first thing we want to do is power off the pilot by clicking the black power button. Now that it has turned off, with the pilot, you want to push down and spin to the left. Now, you want to pull it up. Once it's pulled up, you want to put it on the mapping cart. To put it on the mapping cart, you want to flip this switch down. Then you want to grab the pilot, twist it to the left until it falls down, push down, you can hear a click, and then spin it to the right. Now your pilot is on the mapping cart. To turn the pilot on, press down on the power button until the lights turn on. Once the lights are on, wait for all three of them to be green. Once all three lights are on and green, you want to head over to the app. Once you have selected the proper pilot, you want to click Start. Once everything is set, on your screen, it should tell you to click the Start button. Click the Start button right under the power button. Once you do that on your screen, it should tell you it is recording. You can also look at the pilot and look for the flashing green light. Once that happens, with the mapping cart, trace the outline going counterclockwise of what you want to make a no-go zone around. Once you are finished, click and hold the stop button. Once you click and hold stop, the power button will stop flashing and your screen will be loading to the done screen. Once it has been processed, on your screen, you will see at the very top, name. In the middle, it'll show you what the no-go zone looks like. At the bottom, you can either confirm or click cancel to redo the no-go zone. If you are satisfied, click confirm. Once your no-go zone is added, click publish, OK. Then it'll ask you if you want to import data. Click yes. Click the active map that you had beforehand. Click confirm. Once that's done, you can now see that the map is inactive. All you have to do is click it, click confirm, and now that map is active with the no-go zones you just made. Once you're done mapping out the no-go zone, turn off the pilot by holding down the power button. All the lights should be turned off. Now, to take the pilot off of the mapping cart, we will do the same steps as said before. To put the pilot back on to the mower, you want to do the same steps as before. Once you put the pilot back on the mower, boot it up, and once it's fully booted up, it'll download the map and it'll be ready to go. This is Isaac with Autolawn of Orlando. We hope that this video on creating no-go zones with the mapping cart has been helpful. Visit our YouTube channel at Autolawn of Orlando for more helpful videos on robotic mowing.